Hi everyone. In this video, I will guide you through the process of creating a modern Sunday poster design in Adobe Photoshop. Create a new document using these dimensions. Go to the File menu, choose Place Embedded, select your image, and place. Switch to the Object Selection tool and click to make the initial selection. At this stage, some manual refinement is needed, so use the lasso tool. Hold the Shift key to add to the selection and Alt to subtract from it. Go to the Select menu and Inverse. Apply a layer mask to the selection. Press Ctrl+J to create a copy of the layer. Select the lower layer. Right-click and choose Rasterize Layer. Then right-click on the mask and select Apply Layer Mask. Go to Filter menu, Blur Gallery and Path Blur. Change the basic blur to Rear Sync Flash. And adjust the settings as shown. Select the Rectangle tool and draw a long horizontal bar. Fill it with black color. Press Ctrl+T to adjust its size and position. Right-click on the layer and open Blending Options. Apply a gradient overlay. And follow the gradient settings. Add a new blank layer. Select the Line tool and draw a straight line. Apply a white stroke. And change the stroke style to dashed. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the line. And place it on the opposite side of the shape. Select both line layers and press Ctrl+E to merge them. Align them with the bar shape. Select both elements and rotate them as needed. Follow the same process. Select both image layers. Press Ctrl+G to group them. And move the group higher in the Layers panel. Press Ctrl+T and adjust the image size and position. Select the Vertical Type tool and add your text. Follow the text settings shown. The font used in this design is Helvetica Extended. Select the top text layer and set its fill to 0%. Right-click on the layer and open blending options. Apply a stroke and adjust the settings accordingly. Now, add the remaining text elements and follow the same styling settings. Add a blank layer at the top of the Layers panel. Change the foreground color to yellow. Select the brush tool. Apply the brush effect using the shown settings. Change the blend mode to lighten and adjust the opacity as required. And that's it. Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Make sure you head over to my YouTube channel, where I upload graphic-related tutorials. Thank you for watching.